I'm at the Bush Hog Mower getting ready to mow the CRP ground. I want to check the gearboxes to make certain they've got plenty of oil in them before I run it for a long time.
I'm cleaning off the dirt before opening the ports.
That's plastic. I bet that's the fill level. How about this one? There we go. Oh man.
I was thinking the plug would be easy to remove, so I used an adjustable wrench.
Oh boy. Oh. Okay.
I had to get a real wrench to prevent from rounding off the corners of the plug.
I have a feeling this is metric. It's a 1/2 inch is tight. Oh, wow, somebody really over torqued that. Oh, I got a real wrench here. Oh.
I wasn't expecting the inside of the vent to look like that. Now I'm checking the oil depth with my finger, which didn't work, but it did get my finger dirty.
$14 too loose. 13 is perfect. It's a 13 millimeter. I'm trying to cheat here. It's not even letting me cheat. There, that's good for cheating. I'm gonna say that needs changed. It's not looking good.
The white bucket really shows how dirty the oil was. I was expecting more oil to come out, but that must be all it takes. I went to raise the mower to see if I can get more oil to come out of the gearbox. While I have the mower raised, I will sharpen the blades as they are dull and the mower doesn't do the best in deep grass. And the sharper blades will really make a big difference. I am trying to be safe, and I'm blocking the deck of the mower to prevent it from coming down on me while I'm under it. Right away, I could tell something was wrong. My first thought is, the gearbox lost a bearing.
Oh, that's not good. That's bad news bears right there.
I started taking things apart, thinking there was a bearing out.
Ooh. Oh yeah, a 1 7/8" wrench is what that takes. That's big stuff. How heavy is that thing? I don't think it's light. It might be too heavy for me to lift. That's really saying something.
Since the blades seem to be really heavy, I'm using a jack to get them removed safely.
Got it. Oh.
I knew the blades were heavy, but I was surprised just how heavy they were.
I don't know that there's a bearing there. I think it was just loose. Oh, oh boy. Stepped on my goggles. Well, the plastic. We put them up here on the workbench. Oh yeah, we're good. It was just loose. I'm not going to complain about that, but while I'm down here, do I see a place to drain oil? And I'm not seeing anything. Interesting. I guess now that I've got it off, now is as good a time as ever to clean it up. The book doesn't show that there is a drain plug, it just says oil check plug. So the bearings are up in there the way they're supposed to be. It was just loose. So I'm going to take this opportunity to do some cleaning. I'm not saying it's good.
These blades should be replaced, but for what I am doing, getting a sharp edge will make a big difference. Later, I did find out that when you hit a T-post with the mower, you cannot get it shut down in time and it will cut the metal posts in half, and that is not good for these blades. So I'm glad I didn't put new ones on and just sharpen the old ones.
That's not working.
I had to get some help to balance this and run the jack at the same time. It was just too heavy.
Yeah. Tell me if you need anything.
I need something, but I don't know what to tell you. If you could balance it, that would be huge. Okay, here we go.
I'm trying to get the hole in the spindle to line up with the nut castellations to get the cotter pin through to lock the nut into place.
Wow, I'm struggling. Can I rotate this?
Do you need me to?
Yes, take it off, please.
It is off.
Okay. Ouch.
Those blades hitting are going to be an issue soon. I just didn't know it at the time.
There, it's better than it was. Well, now I can get to changing oil. Got that out of there. I guess I'll leave this in for now. We can monitor it. See how full it is. Check what I've got here. 80-90 weight. There we go. Oh, yeah. Well, it's getting a good flush going there, really. Maybe I'll give her an extra pump. Flush that out of there. Better put some eye protection on.
I'm cleaning out the breather fill plug. I just want to make certain the air passage is free of debris and can breathe as it should.
There we go. How full do we need it? I think I want more in it than that. There we go. That's more like it. Well, how much do we have in there? I need an appropriate measuring stick. So we're probably about up to here. That's probably good enough. Now, we can move to the other side. This isn't going to be as convenient. Get my 13 millimeter fired up here. So don't need it quite yet. Oh, that's not so bad. What are the chances that's going to stay there by itself? This one does not have a vent. That's interesting. Let that flush out. Looks like I might need to do more. Give it the old 13 millimeter snugging. Oh, I might have gotten her a little too full. Yeah, that's a little much. Maybe I ought to drain some out. Well, that's a bummer. It's nice, I can see right in there. Spray this off so it doesn't look like I made a mess. This way I can tell if there's a leak or not. I did it.
I'm running the mower and hearing the out-of-time blades hitting. Now I'm trying to figure out what is wrong, and back into the barn it goes.
Come to find out, these are timed, and guess which way I did it? I made it so they hit perfectly, so no job is complete until I do it twice.
I got the blades reinstalled the correct way this time and was able to mow the barnyard with no issues. I'm happy to get the oil changed and the blades sharpened. That makes for another day on the farm, and I am closing up shop and heading home to spend time with family. If you like what you've seen here, hit the like button and subscribe for updates. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, everybody. Here is bonus footage of the 3-point mount that came loose at another time, and here I am tightening it with a wrench.